Hello and welcome to At Home with Anita Rosner. I recently watched a 4-part docuseries on HBO called Not So Pretty. And not so pretty indeed. It's all about the harsh chemicals and toxins that are in a lot of our personal care products. So I thought today I would show you the fabulous beauty treatments from your kitchen. Believe it or not, your kitchen, your pantry, your refrigerator are packed with wonderful treatments for your hands and your skin and your face. So I'm going to show you a few of my favorites. My number one favorite is something I do every time I give myself a home manicure. All you do is put some sugar in the palm of your hand, add a little bit of oil, massage it into your skin, then rinse and wash it off with soap and water, and your nails, your cuticles, your hands are prepped and ready for polish. And if you use nail polish, you want to look for formulas that do not have formaldehyde. They're out there, so check them out. Then what I sometimes do is I take a little coconut oil, which is very moisturizing. I just take a dab, massage it into my hands, put on my rubber gloves, and then get myself into some hot water and do the pots and pans. When I take the gloves off, the oil is all absorbed into my skin. They smell great and they are soft, soft, soft as a baby's tushy. What's next? Oh, if you want to exfoliate your whole body, I don't recommend that you use sugar and oil in the shower because it's a slip hazard. Instead, take a plastic container, put some sugar in it. Take a grapefruit, cut it in half, dip the two ends into the sugar, and scrub. And because it's just you can double dip. Your skin will feel great and smell great, and you'll be smooth, smooth, smooth. What's up next? Ooh, the avocado. This is like the holy grail of beauty. This does everything. Now, first of all, it's so good for your skin if you eat it. If you put a little avocado in your body every day, it really, really makes your skin nice. But you can also put it on your body. Mash it up, put it on your face, makes a great moisturizing mask. Or mash it up, put it in your hair. It makes a great hair mask. I would leave it in for half an hour, then just shampoo it out, follow with your favorite conditioner, and your hair will be so silky. So you could just mash one up and cover the whole top of your body and then hit the showers. Avocado. Now let's say you have a pimple. It happens. Just wash your face, put a warm compress on the pimple, and then give it a dab of apple cider vinegar before bed. You will be amazed at how well that works. Let's say acne is more of a problem. Not to worry, because honey's going to help you out. Honey and cinnamon. Make a mask with honey and ground cinnamon. Put it on a clean face. Gently, 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 gently massage, rinse, and pat dry. It actually helps with acne. Now let's say you just want to do a facial scrub. If you're using those masks with the microbeads in them, 9 times out of 10, those microbeads are made with plastic that are becoming a problem for the environment, believe it or not. They are clogging up the waterways. They're winding up in fish. Forget it. Avoid them. Instead, take some honey, make a paste with oatmeal, gently massage it on your skin, rinse and pat dry. It makes a great scrub. Last but not least, we have the egg. Nothing that you can buy in a store. There's no cosmetic, there's nothing from a tube that is going to have a permanent effect on you. It's all temporary. The only thing that's permanent is surgery. So, if you want to tighten up your skin, let's say you're going to an event or something, or you're just feeling a little dull, reach for your eggs. Take either the yolk or the white, not both together. We're not making an omelet. Take the yolk or the white, beat it, put it on your face, leave it there for 10 minutes and rinse off. Your skin will feel tighter and it will be glowing. So those are just a few quick ideas of the fabulous beauty treatments found in your own kitchen. They're free of chemicals, they're all natural, and you already own them, so you're not going to spend a dime. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, become a subscriber, and leave a comment for me. I'd love to hear from you. Join me again next time here at home with Anita Rosner. Thanks for watching.